Welcome back to your own channel, Maharjan Academy. I believe you have already watched my trigonometry video of multiple angles first part. If you didn't watch, please go through it. There are 12 questions, top problems of multiple angles with easy and tricky solution. Today I am going to teach you some more questions of multiple angles, top problems but easy and tricky way to solution or solving, proving. I believe you will understand. If you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe the channel and share the video to other students. If you are watching from Facebook, please like the Facebook page of Maharjan Academy and share the video so that other students or people can also watch my videos. Let's start today's topics. Multiple angles, remaining questions. Part 2 of multiple angles. Question number 13. As a request, I am going to teach you from today by solving and explaining together. This question of 13 we can do by left hand side cosec 2a plus cot 4a. We can change cosec means 1 by sine, so 1 by sine 2a. Cot means cos by sine, so cos 4a by sine 4a. This question can be asked in this form also. This form equal to this also it can be asked. This is one of the important question and easy method there is. Cos 4a means cos 2 into 2a, 2 into 2a. Sin 4a means sin 2 into 2a we can write. This as it is. Now cos 2a formula. What is the formula cos 2a? 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a means here 2a minus 1. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. So sin 2 sin 2a cos 2a because a means here 2a. Take LCM. 2 sin 2a cos 2a is LCM. Here sin 2a there, what is not there? 2 not there, cos 2a not there. This as it is because everything is there. Now take common. 2 cos 2a is common. Remaining here 1, here cos 2a because 2 already come. In square 1 cos 2a come is 1 cos 2a. Remaining minus 1 separate. 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Now we can put the formula again. This 1 plus cos 2a means 2 cos square a. We can break down also. Breakdown means this 1 plus cos 2a plus 2 cos square a, this theta by this theta and minus 1 by this theta. Minus 1 by 2 sin 2a cos 2a. You can write this because this minus is below. 2 cos 2 as it is. 1 plus cos 2 means 2 cos square a. This upon. Again minus separated 1 by this. Now cancel. 2 cancelled. Cos 2 also cancelled. Remaining is 2 cos square a by sin 2a. Here 1 by 2 sin a cos again. 2 sin a cos a formula is sin 2a. Sin 2 into a means what? 2a. Now going to get the answer. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. This is sin 2 into 2a means sin 4a. Now last step 2 to cancel, square cancelled. Cos by sin means cot a. 1 by sin 4 means cosec 4a. This is right hand side root. Let's go to another number. Question number 14. This is also similar to 13 number. Same way but cosec 40 degree minus cot 80 degree. Left hand side. Now I'm not copying the left hand side. Cosec 40 means 1 by sin 40 degree. Cot 80 means cos 80 degree by sin 80 degree. Same process. Now this as it is. Now cos 80 degree we can write cos 2 into 40 degree. Sin 80 also we can write sin 2 into 40 degree. This as it is. Now this cos 2a formula, same process. Cos 2a means 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square 40 degree minus 1. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin 40 degree cos 40 degree because a is here 40 degree. Take LCM. 2 sin 40 degree cos 40 degree cos 40 degree. Now your sin 40 there is 2 cos 40 degree not there. Here everything there, so 2 cos square 40 degree minus minus plus. Because of this one I am doing this question again. Minus minus plus. Now take common. 2 cos 40 degree is common. Remaining is 1 minus cos 40 degree plus 1 by 2 sin 40 degree cos 40 degree. Now 2 cos 40 degree as it is. This 1 minus cos 40 means 2 into 20 we can write. I am going to do breakdown also. 2 sin 40 degree cos 40 degree plus this 1 by 2 sin 40 cos 40. Same process. Now we'll put the formula. This as it is. 2 cos 40 degree. Now this 1 minus cos 2a. Formula is 2 sin square a. 2 sin square 20 degree upon 2 sin 40 cos 40. Now this as it is. You have 2 sin a cos a. That also 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a. Sin 2 into 40 degree. Sin 2a. This 2 to cancel. Cos 40 also cancel. Remaining is 2 sin square for 20 degree. And this sin 40 means also we can write sin 2 into 20 degree. This is 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2 into 40 means sin 80 degree. Now put for your formula. 2 sin a. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin 20 degree cos 20 degree by 1 by sin 80 degree. Now last step is 2 to cancel. Square also cancel. Sin 20 by cos 20 is sin 20 degree. This is cosec 80 degree. This is RHS proved. This is 100% similar questions of question number 13. Now I'll give similar 3-4 questions for practice work. If you can't do, write in comments box. If you could do also, write in comment box. I believe you can do because similar questions I'll give for practice. This question of 15, 16, 17, 18 you can do yourself because this is similar to question number 13 and 14. All questions do from left hand side. This cosec 4a means 1 by sin 4a. This is cos 8a by sin 8a and go through similar as question number 13. This also 1 by sin 8a, 1 cos 16a by sin 16a and same as that. This also 1 by sin 2 theta, cos 4 theta by sin 4 theta, same as question number 13. This 1 by sin 20 degree, cos 40 degree by sin 40 degree, this is similar to question number 14. Try yourself these questions because this is similar to question 13 and 14. If any problem, please write in comment box and next video I'll try to solve which you couldn't do. Now let's go to the another number. Question number 19. Sec 8a minus 1 by sec 4a minus 1 equal to tan 8a by tan 2a. Left hand side, I'm not copying left hand side. Sec means 1 by cos 8a minus 1. Sec 4 means 1 by cos 4a minus 1. Take LCM. Here LCM is cos 8a. 1 minus cos 8a. Main line is here. Take LCM here, cos 4a. 1 minus cos 4a. Now reciprocal, this is reciprocal, so you know how to do reciprocal. I believe you know. Cos 8a by cos 8a into cos 4a by 1 minus cos 4a. Now we'll make in terms of formula 1 by cos 8a means cos 2 into 4a. This as it is we put. Here also cos 4a as it is. Here also 1 minus cos 4a means cos 2 into 2a we can put. Now 1 minus cos 2 formula 2 sin square a, you know that 2 sin square a means here 4a. This cos 8a as it is. This also as it is cos 4a. 1 minus cos 2a also 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a means here 2a. Now here break down. Be clever here. Sin 4a cos 4a arrange so that we can get sin 8a. So this sin 2 sin square 4a we can write 2 sin 4a cos 4a into sin 4a we can write. Sine square means 2 times. Sine square for a means sine for a into sine for a. So one sine for a here I arranging and another I have arranged like that. This also put in front. Now this cos 8a as it is. This 2 sine square 2a also as it is. Now this 2 sine a cos a again sine 2 into 2a. Sine 2a formula 2 sine a means here for a. Sine 2a formula. This is cos 8a as it is. Now this sine 4a also I can write sine 2 into 2a. This as it is I am putting. Now this is sine 8a by cos 8a. Here also put formula sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a, 2 sine 2a cos 2a by 2 sine square 2a. Now last step, this 2 to cancel, sine square also cancel. Answer is sine 8a by cos 8a, that is tan 8a. And cos 2a by sine 2a means cot 2a. Then last step, tan 8a by cot 2a means 1 by tan 2a. So tan 8a by tan 2a are just proved. Clear? Once again I'll explain. Sec means 1 by cos, sec means 1 by cos, taking LCM, cos 8a 1 by cos 8a, cos 4a 1 by cos 4a. Reciprocal, this by this into this by this. 1 minus cos 8a means 1 minus cos 2 into 4a. This copying, this also copying. 1 minus cos 4 means 1 minus cos 2 into 2a. Now 1 minus cos 2 applies 2 sin square a, 2 sin square a means 4a. Here also 1 minus cos 2 sin square a means 2a. After that this square I have to break down into 2 times. A square means a into a. Similarly this square means 2 times. Now this arranging. Now this is the 2 sin a cos a means sin 2 into 4a. Sin 2a formula, a means 4a here. This sin 4a I have to break down sin 2 into 2a. Now sin 2 into 4a means sin 8a by cos 8a became this 2 sin 2a formula 2 sin a means 2a cos 2a. 2 sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. And cancelling, remaining is tan 8a cot 2a because cos 2 by sin 2 is cot 2a. Cot 2a means 1 by tan 2a. So tan 8a by tan 2a, right hand side proved. Next questions. This is also similar questions of 19. These questions I'll do so that it will be easy for you. Left hand side. Sec 20 degree means 1 by cos 20 degree minus 1. Sec 10 means 1 by cos 10 minus 1. Take LCM. 1 minus cos 20 degree by here also cos 10 LCM. 1 minus cos 10. Reciprocal. 1 minus cos 20 degree by cos 20 degree into cos 10 degree by 1 minus cos 10 degree. Now this also break down. Cos 20 degree you can write cos 2 into 10 degree. This also as it is. Cos 10 as it is. This 1 minus cos 10 we can write 1 minus cos 2 into 5 degree. 2 into cos 2a means 2 into 5 degree. Now same process we can put formula. Formula is 1 minus cos 2 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a means 10 degree. 1 minus cos 2 2 sin square a. This as it is. Now here also cos 10 as it is. This also formula 1 minus cos 2 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a means 5 degree here. Okay. Now same as before. This square we can make 2 times. 2 sin 10 cos 10 and sin 10 I can write because sin 10 into sin 10 means sin square 10 degree. Now again 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a formula. Sin 2a means 10 degree upon cos 20 degree I want to write breakdown also. Into the sin 10 degree I can write sin 2 into 5 degree. This is as it is. Now this is sin 20 degree by cos 20 degree. This is sin 2 formula 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin 5 degree cos 5 degree by 2 sin square 5 degree. Now cancel. 2 to cancel, sin 5 square cancel. Sin by cos is tan 20 degree. This cos by sin is cot 5 degree. Now tan 20 degree as it is. Cot 5 degree is 1 by tan 5. So tan 5 down we can write equal to RHS. Same process. All of the remaining questions I'll give for practice. If any problem, again you can write in comment box and next video I'll solve the questions which you couldn't do. Okay, these two questions I am giving you for practice work. These are the similar to question 20. Both are same as 20 number. Left hand side sec 16 is 1 by cos 16a, then take LCM. 1 by cos 8a, take LCM, and put same process 1 minus cos 2a formula using. Here also 1 by cos 32a, take LCM. 1 by cos 16a, take LCM. Then same as 1 minus cos 2a formula, you will get this and you will get this. If any problem, you can ask me in comment box.